Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to reset the maintenance minder light on the 2006 to 2024 Honda Pilot. But before we dive in, make sure you change your engine oil before resetting the maintenance system. So let's jump into the guide. In the 2006 to 2008 Honda Pilot, you can reset the oil life by using the knob on the instrument cluster. So let's check this out. Step 1. Turn the ignition key to the on position without starting the engine. Step 2. Press the reset knob on the instrument cluster repeatedly until the menu shows up the oil life. Step 3. Hold the reset knob in for 10 seconds, and then it should start flashing in a couple of seconds. Step 4. Release and then push the knob again for another 5 seconds, and that will reset it to 100%. There are two methods to reset the maintenance minder in the 2009 to 2015 Honda Pilot, and it depends on your vehicle trim level. Except touring models, you can reset oil life by using the reset knob on the cluster. So let me do that right now. Step 1. Turn on the ignition without cranking the engine. Step 2. Press the reset knob repeatedly until the oil life is displayed on the screen. Step 3. Press and hold the knob until the oil life starts to blink. Step 4. Release the knob and hold it one more time to make it start flashing again. Step 5. Release and then hold the knob again until oil life changes to 100% and you're done. If your Honda Pilot is the touring models, you can reset the oil life through the steering wheel. So let me show you how to go ahead and get this done. Step 1. Turn the ignition key to the position 2. Step 2. Hold the reset button on the steering wheel repeatedly until oil life appears on the display. Step 3. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds or until a little screen pops up and it says oil life reset. Step 4. Press the up button to highlight reset and then pull the reset button to confirm and you're done. In this section, I'd like to show you how to reset your oil maintenance light or oil change light in the 2016 to 2018 Honda Pilot. Please only perform this feature if you have replaced your engine oil and oil filter. So let's get right to work. Step 1. Hit the power button twice without stepping on the brake. Step 2. Use the up or down arrows button on the steering wheel to search through the display until you get to the oil life screen. Step 3. Hold down the reset button until maintenance reset mode appears on the screen. Step 4. Highlight reset and then press the reset button to perform an oil reset and you're done. If you have a 2019 to 2022 Honda Pilot, you can reset the maintenance light through the cluster and center screen. So let me guide you for the cluster method screen first. Step 1. Press the start button twice without stepping on the brake pedal. Step 2. Press the home button on the steering wheel to bring you to the main menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the maintenance and press enter button to select the menu. Step 4. Select oil life. Step 5. Press and hold the enter button until the display changes to reset mode. Step 6. Select the maintenance item you want to reset, or you can also select all due items, and you're done. In addition to using the cluster method, you can also reset the maintenance lights through the audio display. Follow this procedure if your Honda Pilot is equipped with an audio touchscreen. Step 1. Press the Home button on the audio screen. Step 2. Tap the Settings menu on the touchscreen. Step 3. Tap Vehicle menu. Step 4. Scroll down and select Maintenance info. Step 5. Select Oil and Filter. Step 6. When a confirmation message appears, select Reset to confirm. In the 2023 to 2024 Honda Pilot, you can reset the maintenance minder through the cluster and center screen. There are some different button and cluster layouts depending on your vehicle trim level, but the menu is the same. So let me teach you right now. Step 1. Hit the Start button twice without depressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Click the Home button to get the main menu. Step 3. Use the selector wheel to scroll until we get to the Maintenance menu, and then press the wheel to enter. Step 4. Once you see the oil life on the screen, press and hold the selector wheel for about 10 seconds to enter the reset mode. Step 5. Scroll once again until you get to All Do items, and then click on it to reset the oil life. As an alternate method, you can also reset the maintenance minder display using the audio screen. So let's do it. Step 1. Press the Home button to get the main menu. Step 2. Scroll to the right and you want to find Vehicle Settings menu. Step 3. Scroll to the right again and find the maintenance information and tap on that. Step 4. Tap on Select Reset Items. Step 5. At this point, you can either choose All Do items or just Oil and Filter, and when a confirmation message appears, select Reset, and you're done. So that's it. The oil changes are one of the simplest things anybody can do, and probably the most critical thing they can do to make a car last as long as possible. So make sure you change your engine oil before resetting the maintenance system. Thanks for watching and have a great time.